Welcome back, guys. Today we have a Toyota Tacoma 2005 and the wiper blade is, you can see, it's not good, so I'm going to change the wiper blade. Mostly Toyota Tacoma is 21 and 22, so I'll show you how to change. It's really easy. Just pick up like this way, here, like this way, then this way, and just push it down like this way, and it will like this way, and just keep moving, it will come down. So I just remove the old one, and here is the new one. That's number 22. It's very easy. Just do like this way, insert it like this way. Look at here, do this way, insert, and then turn like this way and pull it up. Boom, it's fixed. Let me show you the other one. So that is a size 21. Open it. Here is this one, here is this one. So just look at this, do like this way, here, boom. Here is the both. Here is the both one. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe.